Hello, I am Alicia Roberts. Today I will be discussing a recommendation for HGTC to provide lecture videos for all online students. We will discuss challenges, overview of the base of the recommendation, background information, about video learning, financial effects, what instructors will need to meet the criteria for the recommendation, their criteria for creating video lectures, the research and data I have discovered, as well as the benefits of video learning, and then I will discuss the final recommendation. I am currently a student at HGTC, and I have faced several challenges during my academic journey. I have tried my best to understand all the materials covered in my courses, but I have been facing difficulties due to the lack of information. To better comprehend course material, I have conducted extensive research on topics. Due to my busy schedule and full-time job, I don't always have the time to reach out to my professors and wait for their responses, or to visit the school. At times, I find it incredibly challenging to understand complex problem solving or make sense of a specific topic. These obstacles have not only hindered my academic progress, but also left me feeling demotivated and frustrated. I have found video lectures to be extremely helpful in my experience with online courses. Out of the 7 courses I have taken, only one professor has provided me with video lectures. This course has been the most beneficial in terms of my learning. The reason I find video lectures helpful is that they allow me to revisit complicated topics multiple times until I fully understand the material. In addition, lecture videos provide me with a replication of being in a face-to-face classroom setting, which enhances my learning experience. Video learning has become increasingly popular as a supplementary material for face-to-face classroom instruction and is a vital component of online courses. It is considered a popular communication and instructional tool that offers a highly immersive and interactive learning experience, significantly enhancing the quality of online teaching and learning. Educational videos, especially video lectures, can be a valuable tool for improving online learning experiences as they present information in both visual and audio formats. This creates a highly engaging and interactive learning environment that helps students better understand and remember complex concepts, making learning more effective and enjoyable. By providing visual and auditory aids, videos assist students in learning, making it easier to retain the information and apply it in real-life situations. With video lectures, students can learn at their own pace, pause and rewind as needed to review difficult topics, and access lectures from anywhere at any time. This convenience can be especially beneficial for students who have busy schedules, like I do, or prefer to learn through visual and auditory means. As per this discussion, it has been established that individuals tend to learn through 2 primary modes, visual and auditory, which some people prefer to learn by seeing things. Others may find it more effective to learn them by listening to information. These 2 modes of learning are essential to understand how individuals process and retain knowledge. Students' benefits of video learning are they assist them in understanding complex concepts. It provides the student with flexibility. They have control over their own learning experience. They have the freedom to learn at their own pace, allowing them to pause and rewind, reviewing as many times as they need to, and be able to access it anywhere, anytime. Online courses are more affordable than traditional classroom-based courses due to the absence of a physical classroom space and commuting expenses. However, incorporating video lectures can further reduce the overall cost of delivering the courses and decrease the expenses of learning materials for students by offering video lectures as an alternative to a printed textbook. Instructors can create their own videos, which is a cost-effective solution for the school. These videos can be made during their regular scheduled face-to-face classes, and there are various programs available for instructors to be able to use. There are several affordable video lecture creation programs available that can help efficiently capture a screen. Some popular options include iShowU, Snaps, QuickTime Pro, iMovie, Windows Movie Maker, and Final Cut Pro. These software tools can assist you in creating high-quality video lectures with ease and convenience. To meet the requirements, the instructor needs to be a candidate that is able to create engaging and informative lecture videos once a week. The videos should be between 10 to 15 minutes long, providing students with comprehensive knowledge of the subject. The instructor should aim to deliver the content in a clear and concise manner using relevant examples and illustrate concepts that engage with students. To produce a high-quality video, it is crucial to keep in mind the different cognitive load design strategies that can help to make the content both effective and visually appealing. This includes paying close attention to the audio, ensuring that it is engaging and motivational to keep the viewer interested and focused on the material. Also, it is important for the instructor to maintain eye contact with the camera, as this can help convey a sense of connection and engagement with the audience. Furthermore, it is essential to produce active learning materials that can help to enhance the learning experience for the viewer. These materials can come in a variety of forms, such as interactive quizzes, visual aids, and hands-on activities that can all serve to reinforce the concept being taught and keep the viewer engaged throughout the video. By incorporating these strategies into your video production process, you can create content that is both informative and engaging, and that can help the viewer to retain the information more effectively. Online education has become increasingly popular in recent times, owing it to the flexibility and convenience. However, despite its numerous benefits, online courses still face a significant challenge in high dropout rates. According to research, there are 4 main reasons why students drop out of online courses. These include internal reasons such as lack of motivation or interest, external reasons such as poor internet connectivity, student characteristics such as a poor time management, and student skills such as inadequate computer literacy or difficulty comprehending the course materials. According to recent reports, the dropout rates for first-time undergraduate students in their first year are currently at 24.1% over a 12-month period. The dropout rate is even higher for first-time bachelor's degree seekers, which is up to 25.7%. Overall, up to 40% of all undergraduate students decide to leave their programs. Therefore, it is crucial for institutions to provide quality education and technical support to ensure students remain enrolled and successfully complete their programs. After conducting a survey among the students who completed the courses, it was found that a significant majority, 64%, expressed their preference for video lectures over other forms of learning materials. These students strongly recommend that all instructors provide video lectures to enhance the overall learning experience. They find it more engaging, informative, and accessible. During the survey, I asked the students these sample questions, as shown on this slide. After conducting my survey, I had the opportunity to speak with HGTC's online instructor, Courtney Sturbins. During our conversation, Instructor Sturbins shared my thoughts on video lectures and the benefits of interaction between students and teachers. She stated, "It would not be difficult for instructors who are already conducting face-to-face instruction to video their current class and upload the videos for online students." She also stated, "However, Teachers may need some training to create these videos to ensure that the curriculum is delivered accurately. In this slide here, you'll see some of the sample questions I asked Courtney Sturbins. The utilization of video lectures in online courses has become a significant transformation in the present digital era, providing financial advantages to educational institutions while making education more accessible, convenient, and affordable for students. Video lectures provide numerous advantages to students as they can learn at their own pace, rewatch complex sections, and attend lectures from the convenience of their homes or any location with internet access. Restricting online students to just reading the materials may not be productive for all students, as some have different learning styles and need interaction to fully comprehend the material. Therefore, as a recommendation, it would be beneficial for instructors to offer the same educational materials and resources to online learners as they do to students who are physically present in a classroom. This would ensure that online students have the access to all the necessary tools and information, including video lectures, needed to be able to excel in their studies and receive a high-quality education. I am of strong opinion that it would be highly beneficial if video lectures were implemented for all courses to all online students. On this screen here, you'll see a few of the references that I've gathered during my research for my recommendation. Now, I would like to conclude this presentation and thank you for your time. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. My contact information is displayed here on the screen.